The world as we know it is powered by a finite, dirty, and increasingly expensive resource: oil. For a century, the internal combustion engine has been the anchor of the global economy. But a silent revolution has just reached a tipping point. CATL, the world's leading battery manufacturer, has unveiled a new sodium-ion battery with a staggering 5 million kilometer lifespan. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a geopolitical earthquake. It marks the moment when the energy grid becomes immortal and the oil-dependent power structures of the old world begin to crumble. Sodium is everywhere. Unlike lithium, which is rare and controlled by a handful of powers, sodium is found in common salt. By mastering this technology, we are breaking the chains of resource scarcity. Imagine a vehicle or a power station that can run for decades without needing a replacement. A 5 million kilometer lifespan means the battery will outlast the machine it powers. This creates a forever asset, an energy storage system that stays in the family for generations. We are moving from a world of planned obsolescence to a world of permanent energy. The implications for global survival are profound. In an era of increasing instability and supply chain collapses, energy independence is the ultimate shield. These batteries don't just power cars, they stabilize entire cities. They allow for massive, decentralized energy storage that can function in extreme temperatures, unlike current lithium tech. This is the unjammable grid. It's a system that doesn't rely on fragile international pipelines or the whims of petrostates. When energy becomes a permanent localized resource, the very nature of sovereignty changes. But there is a dark side to this transition. As the demand for oil evaporates, the nations and corporations that built their wealth on carbon will not go quietly. The shift to a sodium-based economy is a direct threat to the established financial order. We are entering a period of energy friction, where the old world fights to maintain its grip, while the new world builds its own salt-based foundation. This battery is a tool for liberation, but it is also a catalyst for a global reset that will redefine who holds the power in 2026 and beyond. The era of burning things for power is coming to an end. The technology to bypass the old masters is here, and it's made of the most common element on Earth. We are no longer just witnessing a change in how we move. We are witnessing a change in how we survive. The eternal battery is the first brick in a new civilization, one that is no longer tethered to the ground, but powered by the very salt of the earth. The grid is evolving. The fuel is changing. The question is, are you ready to live in a world where energy is free, permanent, and beyond their control? The old masters are losing their spark. This is the survival ledger, and we are documenting the birth of a new energy era. Like this video to accelerate the transition, subscribe to master the tools of the future, and comment SALT if you're ready to break your dependence on the old grid. The future is permanent. Stay charged.